So another Sean the drone tip. Now I've just showed you a quick demo. I was on active track. I was walking down that track. What I'd done, I've gone into the settings, the little 3 dots in the right hand corner, and where it's usually on brake, it should be on brake usually. If you put it on bypass, then it will sort of activate itself going around the trees and whatever. Obstacles, that's what I should say, no, obstacles. And as you can see, as I was walking down there, it coped pretty well. It's a little bit jittery. I mean, it's a little bit windy tonight, so it's probably not the best time to do it. And also I was going down a slope. Now when I turned around and come back the other way, it was doing it, but I did notice it went into a gap and it was backing itself into, which I could see was going to be an accident. So walking towards it, going uphill, not a good idea. Now don't forget guys, I'm still learning, so I've never really used active track much. So with this Mini 3 Pro, I'm really getting into it. But if you can give me some tips as well, that'd be fantastic. But that's my advice. If you're walking back towards the drone up a hill, it don't like it. I mean, I stopped it because I could see what was going to happen eventually. Now, another thing I've noticed is sometimes when you're doing that, if you leave it on the bypass, when you go back into sort of normal mode flying your drone, you notice that your drone will not go sideways. And that tells you straight away it's because you've still got it on bypass. So go back into the settings and put it back onto brake, and the drone will move left and right. I've done it, and I've seen a few other people do it, so just remember that as well. Hope that's another useful tip. I'm still learning. I am loving this drone, and this is one of the things I've never really used, and at the moment it's pretty good. So thumbs up there for DJI support on that. I'll show you another tip on another video, and don't forget guys, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll catch you in another video. And fly safe guys.